In the high-stakes world of manufacturing, where precision and efficiency drive success, the demand for advanced field service solutions has never been greater. Today, we introduce a groundbreaking partnership that's transforming field operations, IFS and Gogh Solutions. Together, IFS and Gogh Solutions, a proud IFS Silver Channel partner, are revolutionizing field service operations and implementations across the manufacturing industry. We're bringing smart, scalable solutions that optimize every aspect of service delivery and asset management. Here are some real results that manufacturing companies have achieved with IFS Service Management. 10% improvement in materials management. 17% average productivity gain. 10% more orders delivered in a timely manner. 14% faster product delivery times. In manufacturing, tomorrow's success is built on today's innovations. With IFS and Gogh Solutions, you're not just keeping pace with technological advances, you're leading the way. Revolutionize your field service operations and forge a future of unmatched efficiency and reliability. Together we can transform field service.